I have big plans to show you my new car today, but unfortunately it's broken. So I'll just have to show you this week's flowers instead. In the back of my van, we've got some pale pink Alstroemeria, some fabulous tulips grown by Sue Lamb in Lincolnshire, some vibrant pink Lisianthus, and some wild, soft Ruscus. Unlike this vehicle has been, make sure you look after your flowers. Snip an inch off the end, and use your flower food. Start with your Lisianthus in an even triangle around the edge of your vase. Do the same with your roses, filling the gaps. Add your Alstroemeria a little more centrally. Add your very lovely soft Ruscus stems to the very middle, allowing them to flop out in any direction. And finish with your much shorter tulips tucked over the edge of the vase. Your tulips will grow about 10 centimetres, and Alstroemeria will open, and in about 3 days, this will look absolutely magnificent. At which point you might find I'm still stuck here.